Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Modic from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Modic tokens for better yields or portfolio diversification, you're in the right place. This process is simpler than it sounds, but always remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential delays, so let's dive in step by step to keep things secure. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Gemini. You'll need some Modic in your Coinbase wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Assets or Portfolio section. Find Modic in your list of holdings. It's also known as Polygon these days. Next, click on Modic and choose the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you enter the destination details. Double-check that you're sending to Gemini's wallet address. Gemini will provide this in your account settings, so head over there and copy it accurately to avoid any mix-ups. Paste the address into the withdrawal form on Coinbase, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer. Coinbase might prompt you for a network selection, like Ethereum or Polygon, so ensure it matches Modic's native network to keep fees low. Before you confirm, review everything: the amount, the address, and any estimated fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Now, switch to Gemini and keep an eye on your account. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Also, check for any updates to policies, as crypto rules can change. Once your Modic shows up in Gemini, you're all set to trade or stake it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there and happy transferring.